Hey guys, this is David, and this time I want to show you the process of this drawing that I made of Ariana, using mostly the markers from Art and Fly as I always do, along with the pencils. And this drawing took me much longer to do, different than the other drawings that I make videos of. So I'll try to explain the basic steps just so you know what to do if you try to make something similar. Otherwise this video would be way too long, but if you saw my last videos this probably won't be so hard for you. But as you can see here in the beginning, I'm using the skin tones to make the base color for the face, using light and dark tones based on the parts of the face with more shadows or highlights. That depends on the reference picture you have. You just have to look where there's more shadows and use dark tones and so on. And after I do the base color, I can start using pencils to make more layers with different colors and make the skin tone more realistic, doing the details on the eyes, nose, cheeks, lips, teeth, and all the rest. I'll repeat the same process for the hands and neck, and you'll see along the video. And for the sweatshirt, it's basically the same process, just with different colors. So I'm using blue and gray tones in this part. And for the highlights, I'm using a lighter blue over the dark tones to give this fold aspect to it, so it's not so complicated. But now going to the hair, this is where we need to have a lot of patience, because it takes some time to do everything, and instead of using markers here, I'm using only pencils, doing many layers with different colors, because for the highlights I'm using this craft knife to basically remove some of the layers, and I'm gonna do this along the rest of the hair. So that's it guys. I wish I could show you this drawing in a real-time video, but the whole drawing took me 9 hours to finish, so it wouldn't be possible to show everything. But I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you try to do something similar, I hope it helps. And thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos soon.